Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to raise your hand in the Zoom Workplace mobile app. Let's get started. First, open your Zoom app on your phone and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you are on your home screen, tap Join and enter the meeting ID and your name. Then tap Join again and enter the passcode if asked. Once you are in the meeting, you will see controls at the bottom of the screen. Look at the bottom corner and tap the button that says more. It looks like a three dots. This will open a small menu with more options. In the menu, tap on raise hand. Now everyone in the meeting, including the host or teacher, will see that you have raised your hand. It's like putting your hand in the real classroom. When you are done, all your question is answered, tap more again and then tap lower hand to remove the hand icon. And that's it. Now you have know how to raise hand and lower your hand in the Zoom Workplace mobile app. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.